Voyager 1 is the fastest, farthest human-made object ever built, traveling at 38,000 miles per hour, already past the edge of our solar system. And at that speed, it will take roughly 30,000 years just to reach the next star system. Nothing we've ever launched is fast enough to make that trip in a human lifetime. And right now, nothing we're building can change that. Here's the part that doesn't add up. We've sent spacecraft to Pluto, landed rovers on Mars, even touched the sun's atmosphere. So why, after 60-plus years of space exploration, are we still nowhere close to reaching another star? And what would it actually take to get there? The nearest star system to our own, Alpha Centauri, is about 4.2 light-years away, roughly 25 trillion miles. Voyager 1, despite being humanity's fastest spacecraft, is moving at a fraction of a percent of the speed of light. At its current pace, it wouldn't even reach Alpha Centauri. It's not even headed in that direction. But if it were, the math puts the trip at tens of thousands of years. The problem isn't ambition, it's physics. Chemical rockets, the same basic technology that launched Apollo astronauts to the moon, simply can't carry enough fuel to reach the speeds needed for interstellar travel. Every added bit of fuel adds weight, which requires more fuel to move a limit engineers call the rocket equation, and it caps how fast any conventional spacecraft can ever go. Scientists have proposed alternatives: nuclear propulsion, which could theoretically cut travel time significantly; solar sails, using focused laser beams to push ultralight spacecraft to a meaningful fraction of light speed. This is the core idea behind the Breakthrough Starshot project, aiming to reach Alpha Centauri in just 20 years instead of thousands. But every one of these technologies remains experimental, decades away from being flight-ready. Until one of these breakthroughs becomes real, every spacecraft humanity has ever built is functionally stuck within our own solar system. The stars we see at night will remain exactly what they've always been: points of light we can study but not reach. Voyager 1, our fastest spacecraft, would still take roughly 30,000 plus years to reach the nearest star. Chemical rockets are physically incapable of reaching interstellar speeds. Breakthrough Starshot proposes using laser-driven solar sails to make the trip in just 20 years. No interstellar propulsion technology has moved past the experimental stage. Somewhere, scientists are already testing the earliest versions of the technology that could change all of this. Subscribe to Deep Space Debrief, because when there's a real breakthrough, we'll break it down first.